Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart here, as we can see, we are looking at an impulse finish towards the upside for a wave A or for wave 1. After both case scenario, you would like to see a corrective waves and continuation towards the upside for a wave C or for a wave 3, 4 and a 5, of course for higher prices in case we are impulsive as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this long correction that it has started, of course, since the 2018. It is a very long correction, which is, of course, here a W, X, Y. For W, you have a zigzag. For the X, you have another zigzag. For the wave Y, you have a triangle A, B, C, D, and a E. Once you have finished your wave E, finishing exactly in the middle of your triangle, perfect scenario for a triangle, which XRP loves to do it. We got, of course, a continuation towards the upside for a massive wave 3, where we have here a 1, a 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We are looking still for one more wave towards the upside. Now, if you take, of course, the 1-hour chart here, after this a massive move for XRP, we can see that this triangle is unfolding still and almost at the end of its stage to finish, of course, and to move, of course, for higher prices. As you can see here, we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 to finish your wave 3 in the yellow scenario. Another triangle, which XRP loves to have, of course, for wave 4, and then, of course, continuation was 1, 2, 3, and you have another wave 4 with another triangle again to finish this final wave 5 with a wide count here, where we would like to see, of course, a wave 5 finished in the yellow scenario as well, and at the same time finishing this big impulse towards the upside with a wave 1. Looking at the 1-hour chart here, at the 4-hour chart, that means this might be a finished wave 1, and then we might see a wave 2, and then 3, 4, 5 continuation for XRP towards higher prices. And of course, in this case scenario, we would like to see this last wave unfolding to say, okay, that this impulse has been finished as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And of course, that 3 waves ABC might unfold as a corrective and then continuation toward the upside. Let's take a look at XRP, of course, on the KGT at the 15-minute chart. We can see, of course, we have already a CVD bullish divergence. As you can see, we have bottomed here. Let's see the signal. Okay. Yeah, the last signal given is still sell, of course, from here, but that doesn't mean a bearish scenario. It could basically mean as well that this is a correction, and definitely this is a correction after this triangle. And we can see here that a bullish divergence has been created already, or today has started or showed up, of course, as a bullish, giving us, of course, a nice divergence between the price action and those CVDs. Now, of course, at the same time, we see the bearish divergence that have been created from the top of the wave C here as A, B, and wave B, A, B, and a C, and then your wave D as well. And this is perfect divergence or convergence for a bearish scenario because, of course, your wave E is unfolding once your wave E is finished, and potentially it is very close to finish because we already got now those divergence for the bullish scenario where we can start to move towards higher prices. So expectations or possibilities is, of course, higher prices. I know that we are looking at prices bleeding and moving towards the downside. Of course, higher prices are expected after reaching at least as this trend and start to move towards the upside. Breaking this trend, that of course will raise up an alert for a bearish scenario. A confirmation for bearish is breaking this level. So bearish confirmation, okay, at $1.96 for XRP, because it is not allowed that your wave E break your wave C. So in a triangle, always your triangle should be contracting, and of course your wave E should not take the low here for your wave C, and we should start to see continuation towards the upside sooner or later. Breaking this level means this is a bearish scenario, something else is unfolding, and of course to be reanalyzed. And yeah, basically, in case we are bearish, this can be bearish in case if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check. This is not a contracting diagonal. It cannot be, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We didn't took the low. Yeah, so guys, of course, bearish has very low possibility. If we take it here, then I have to consider this as WXY in different way. And that means like zigzag down, zigzag up, and then zigzag down. This is the only scenario where it is a bearish, guys, where we have W, X, and a Y. Because no contracting diagonal can be figured out here. No 1, 2, no impulses. So there is no any motive waves toward the downside. The only scenario that we can get as bearish is through a WXY for another zigzag, of course, and having here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if the wave 5 is gonna be extended, so be careful with it. Of course, watch out those levels, and then of course we would like to see continuation towards the upside, getting 5 waves up, 3 waves down, hitting the high, and confirmation of an entry point, moving for higher prices. That was it for XRP. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.